Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I want to sing that song, Love is in the Air, Love is Everywhere, because it's nearly Valentine's, and if you're looking for something a little bit different to give somebody this year, or you might want to say thank you to somebody, I have you covered. And it starts off with a bottle of wine, and you can tell it's a nice bottle of wine because it's very heavy, which is fabulous. I've been saving this for Valentine's Day, so I can't wait to knock off those days. I've also got two beautiful roses. Now I need to tell you what I have been investigating, and that is talking to all of my friends around the world, and I am told that there is a worldwide shortage of roses thanks to COVID. So those of you who want to give roses and are thinking, I don't know about artificial roses, I'm starting the trend. It is the thought that counts, so don't you worry about it. So I've got some roses here. I've got this cutesy pie little heart that I'm going to put with it. If it's for a thank you, you might not want to put the heart with it, so think about that. And I've got some ribbon. So seriously easy. Get your ribbon and cut that into your length. Put that under your box. If you can, get a box of wine because it's going to make it much easier to do what we're going to do. I've got two roses. I'm going to put one there. You could cut them if you wanted to, but I'm not going to cut them because I don't know what the person getting these roses will want to do with them. Don't worry about which way they fall. That's fine. Bring the ribbon up and over. Tie that quite tightly, like so. I love these quick and easy gestures of love. And then with my little heart, I'm just going to put that onto there like so. Oopsie daisy. Tie that off and put a nice little bow on it. Oh, so sweet. I'm just so loving it. Now that's what I call quick and easy. I love you or thank you gift. See you again another day.